Okay. And your question, Miss Makati, is, do you believe that fitness comes in all shapes and sizes? Why or why not?
I do. I don't think fitness just means being sexy. I think you can be fit even with, even if you're bigger. I don't think I'm the fittest person, to be honest. Not too long ago, I wasn't not very active. I don't consider myself to be too much of a gym freak, but I tried boxing with my friends. I fell in love with it, and I just think it's so much better to be taking care of yourself because it takes a toll. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Makati. It's important to have fun with.
I love Mary Michelle.
All right, are you ready for your question?
When making important decisions, is it better to use the mind or the heart? Why? Again, when making important decisions, is it better to use the mind or the heart? Why?
In making important decisions, it is better to use your heart. I myself, whenever I answer beauty pageant's question and answer, I always try to get my answers from my heart. Because whenever I get my answers from my mind, I think of different words and it doesn't come up. And now I am using all over with my heart, with all of my experiences. And the same thing, sharing just what is my opinion, sharing what other people could understand on me. And I do believe people should always answer, people should always understand, and people should always decide with their heart.
Thank you so much. I agree. People should always be using their hearts in no matter what aspect of their life.
All right. Ms. La Casellana, your question is being fit the same as being beautiful? Why or why not?
Can you please repeat the question? Thank you.
Absolutely. Is being fit the same as being beautiful? Why or why not?
For me, it is the same. Because if you are fit and beautiful, let's be honest, you get a lot of opportunities and you get a lot of positive impressions, especially to all the people. And it makes us to be resilient. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. La Castellana. And next, we have Miss
Rank the following in order of importance: face, intelligence, toned body. Explain your ranking. Once again, rank the following in order of importance: face, intelligence, and toned body. Please explain your ranking.
Thank you for that question. I think first has to be intelligence. When you are intelligent, you are equipped with the right tools to pursue fitness, to pursue any career you choose to, and it triumphs over face and toned body. With intelligence, you are empowered to do more for your community, and you cannot say the same with face and toned body. Secondly, I would choose toned body. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Even if you have the face, to some you may not be beautiful, but if you have a toned body, you are objectively fit. You put in the time to work towards a disciplined physique.
Thank you, Ms. good. An incredible answer.
Your question is being slim the same as being healthy? Why or why not? Is being slim the same as being healthy? Why or why not?
I don't think it's being slim the same with being healthy. Why? Because personally, me, I worked out a lot every day, but I don't have a nice body and I'm not that slim. And I think for me to be fit is taking care of your physically, mentally, and intellectually. Because when we focus on to be holistic fit, we can create a positive effects that spread health and happiness to everyone around us. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Toledo City. Indeed, being fit manifests in different shapes and sizes.
Why is it important to stage a pageant focused on fitness like Miss Fit Philippines? Once again, why is it important to stage a pageant focused on fitness like Miss Fit Philippines?
Miss Fit Philippines is advocating for holistic fitness. I believe it is time to revolutionize the way we approach fitness. We have been led to believe that fitness is just about burning calories and building muscle. But I'm here to tell you that it is so much more than that. Holistic fitness is about nourishing our bodies, calming our minds, and connecting with our spirits. It is about listening and dancing to our intuition and honoring our unique journeys. Together, let us redefine what it truly means to be fit and thrive in a way that honors our wholeness. Thank you.
Excellent answer, Miss San Pedro de Luna. I love how she stressed that fitness trickles into the different aspects of our lives.
How can you measure if a person is truly fit? How can you measure if a person is truly fit?
I'm a person who used to suffer from an eating disorder, and it actually made me do things that are disturbing in order for me to satisfy this conundrum that I experienced. And for me, this story is worthy of sharing in this kind of platform in order for me to inspire others to be holistically fit, because it is very important for us to incorporate holistic fitness in our lives. And I believe that we can measure if a person is truly fit if she or he incorporates proper diet on their daily lives. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Buhay Abra Province, for courageously sharing your story of triumph with all of us. I hope many are inspired.
If you are part of the Misfit org, what would be some projects you would like to start? Once again, if you are part of the Misfit org, what would be some projects you would like to start?
As a person who have undergone mental health issues, if ever I am part of our organization, I would like to inspire others through the use of promoting holistic fitness in programs, because I believe that it's really important that we inspire others through ourselves, as our mental health is something that is truly important, because it's something, if we give importance to our health, it helps us achieve our goals and dreams in life, and utilizing this platform would help a lot of people, and to do that, it would be my greatest honor to lead the lives of so many. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Cadiz City. Definitely mental health is an essential component of fitness, and it does dictate the trajectory of your life, huh?
Absolutely.
Next, may we call on Miss Calamba City. truly beautiful ladies too. Not just fit, not just intelligent, but facially beautiful. Good evening. Please choose your question.
Do you believe social media is hurting people's emotional fitness? Why or why not? Do you believe social media is hurting people's emotional fitness? Why or why not?
I believe that social media could affect us in two different ways. It's either positive or negative. And as social media users and at the same time social media viewers, we both have the responsibility to be responsible with what we post online. We should be considerate with our audiences and with what we post and with the contents we make. And with that, I believe that the effects of social media depends on who are using it. And as netizens, we have this responsibility to be considerate with other people, especially now that mental health is the relevant issue. And with that, I think it comes with a lot of responsibility. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What is more important? Fitness of the mind or fitness of the body? Why? Again, which is more important? Fitness of the mind or fitness of the body? Why?
Well, for me, physical and mental health are interconnected. Because if we have a poor physical health, then we also would have mental instability and vice versa. And for me, I would choose to have a healthy body because we should know that our brain is also a physical form of our body. Our body is a temple, and if we take care of it, it will also take care of us. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Miss.
If you were asked to write about Misfit Philippines in a national newspaper, what would you say? If you were asked to write about Misfit Philippines in a national newspaper, what would you say?
If I were given the opportunity to write about Misfit Philippines, I would write about it and tell that it is one of the few pageants who focuses on holistic health. And as a nurse, I am someone who supports that. And I joined Misfit Philippines because I want to be able to contribute to the mission of the platform, which is on holistic health. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Baguio City, and thank you to the Misfit Philippines organization for giving ladies a platform to champion health and fitness. Next.
How can you explain and promote holistic fitness to children? How can you explain and promote holistic fitness to children?
Thank you. By doing some projects or something to explain to them on how they do some fitness. Ako po ay sumasali sa mga Zumba. And sometimes, ginagawa ko yun para ma-maintain yung aking body. So pwede ko silang masabay sa akin yung mga bata para alam din nila kung gaano ka halaga sa atin yung fitness na tinatawag. Thank you.
Wow, maraming salamat, Miss Bulacan de Negros Occidental. Lead by example, ika nga.
Next, holistic fitness expensive and hard to maintain? Why or why not? Once again, is holistic fitness expensive and hard to maintain? Why or why not?
For me, it's not hard to maintain. When you're not physically fit, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. I think first thing that we should do is to prepare ourselves for what is coming here. I believe maintaining our mental health is not hard when we know to ourselves that
is not hard to maintain.
Thank you so much, Miss Batangas City. Indeed, with some dedication.
All right, your question is, how can you inspire a lazy young woman to embrace fitness? Once again, how can you inspire a lazy young woman to embrace fitness?
Well, I've always believed that fitness is for everyone, and I have been lazy a few times, but you know, I get back up again and exercise, I eat healthy and do. But yes, that's why I'm here today, trying to inspire all the young girls of my generation that fitness is achievable and for everyone, especially holistic fitness. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
What is your opinion on cosmetic surgery to improve one's physical appearance? Once again, what is your opinion on cosmetic surgery to improve one's physical appearance?
I believe that if you want to change something about yourself and if that makes you confident, I will totally support that. If that will make you more confident and want to go out and have fun, then you can do that. But as for me, I wouldn't do that. As someone who has experienced body shaming, I know the feeling, but I have accepted myself and I have really gotten to self-love, and if we love ourselves more, we can confidence thrives and self-love shines. Thank you.
Thank you, Butuan Agusan del Norte, and congratulations for over